This is a quick, non-instructional video on installing our 3/4 horse well pump. Here we are crimping and heat shrinking the 220 volt 2-wire pump. I had tested the system before going to the property. Like the instructor says, you can't use too much electrical tape. My granddaughter did a fine job double wrapping the wires near the pump. Then we taped every 3 feet for the 100-foot length of pipe and wire, wrapping the tape 5 times over itself. I made sure not to over-tighten the 1-inch poly pipe to the stainless steel ribbed connection. Actually, lowering the pump, poly pipe, and wires was the most physical work. It gets heavier as it's lowered. I was careful to keep the pipe and wires away from the sharp liner edge. I can imagine the difficulty it would be trying to do this by yourself. It was nice having the helping hand or two.
Yay! Woohoo! Should we turn around?
The well is flowing at 15 gallons a minute or more. We're very happy and appreciate the excellent instructional videos by H2O Mechanic on YouTube.